Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to another beautiful English story for beginners. Today, we will enjoy a magical story called Rip Van Winkle. It is about a kind man, a long sleep, and a changed world. In this video, you will also learn new vocabulary words with meanings and example sentences. So, listen carefully and enjoy this wonderful journey with Rip. Story Rip Van Winkle, Level 1. Rip Van Winkle was a kind man who lived in a small village with his wife and children. He liked to help people, but he did not like to work much. His wife often became angry with him because he did not do his duties. One day, Rip went to the mountain with his dog to sit quietly and rest. While walking, he met a strange old man who was carrying a heavy pot. Rip helped him and followed him to a quiet place in the hills. There, Rip saw some men playing a silent game. They looked serious and did not speak. Rip felt very tired. He drank a little from a jug that the men had. After drinking, he fell into a deep sleep. When Rip woke up, everything looked different. His beard was very long, and his clothes were old and dirty. He could not find his dog. He went back to his village, but the houses looked new and strange. The people did not know him. His old friends were gone. Even his children were grown. Then a kind woman listened to his story and told him that he had slept for 20 years. Rip felt sad but thankful. His wife had passed away, and the village had changed. But people were kind to him. Rip spent the rest of his life telling his strange story to visitors and children. Now let's learn new vocabulary words with easy meanings and 2 example sentences for each word. 1. Village. A small town in the countryside. Example. 1. We live in a small village. Example. 2. The village is very peaceful. 2. Kind, helpful and caring nature. Example. 1. She is kind to animals. Example. 2. The kind man helped the boy. 3. Strange. Not normal or usual. Example 1. He saw a strange man. Example 2. I heard a strange sound. 4. Silent. Very quiet, no sound. Example 1. The room was silent. Example 2. The class became silent. 5. Tired. Feeling the need to rest. Example 1. I am tired today. Example 2. She felt tired after work. 6. Thankful. Feeling glad for help received. Example 1. I am thankful to my teacher. Example 2. She was thankful for the help. What an amazing story, right? Along with the story, you learned some useful vocabulary words. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English stories and vocabulary learning. Keep learning and keep growing. See you in the next story.